Let me show you how to tie rebar wire. Method 1. Method 2. Method 3. Method 4. Can you name this method? Let me know which one is better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.